All right, so you guys are going to be doing 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication now. So we're going to look at this problem. 24 times 16. Now, whenever you see a multiplication problem, okay, I want you to rewrite it, okay? And I want you to write it like this. 24 times 16. This way you'll be able to see your place values and line them up more clearer, okay? So we are going to split our place values up. We know this is our ones and this is our tens. So we have 6 ones times 4 ones. We have 6 ones times 2 tens, which actually we know is 10, 20. We have 1 10 multiplied by 4 ones, and we have 1 10, which is 10, multiplied by 2 tens, which is 20. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 different ways to break this problem up. The first way I'm going to show you is by splitting up both of these numbers in a box method. So if we look here, okay, we are going to have, we are going to have 2 tens, okay, 2 tens, which is equal to 20, and 4 ones, which is equal to 4. We're going to have 1 10, which is equal to 10, and we're going to have 6 ones, which is equal to 6. Okay, see how I did that? So I took the number 24, and I just said my 2 tens was equal to 20, and my 4 ones are equal to 4 ones. And then I took my 1 10, which is equal to 10, and my 6 ones, which is equal to 6. And now I'm going to do some multiplying. So this box is going to be 10 times 20. So I'm going to write 10 times 20. But what's important for me to look at here is this 1 and this 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And then how many zeros do I have? 1, 2. I'm just going to add them to my answer. Easy enough. And now I'm going to do 10 times 4. 10 times 4. Okay. I know that 10 times 4 is 40, but another way I could look at it would be 1 times 4, I know is 4, and then I just have 1 0. So my answer would be 40. Now I'm looking at 6 times 20, my 2 tens. So I'm going to have 6 times 20. Well, I know that 6 times 2 is 12. And now I'm just going to add my 1 0 to make it 120. And now I'm going to do 6 times 4 ones. And I know that that equals 24. So if I look here, I have 4 partial products. I have to take all 4 of those partial products and I have to add them together. So I have 200, 120, 40, and 24. And do you see how I lined my place values up the whole time? Ones, tens, hundreds. I did that so that I can keep it organized, okay? So I know if I look at my ones column, this is equal to 4. If I look at my tens column, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I look at my hundreds column, 200 plus 100 is 300. So 24 times 16 is actually equal to 384. And that was me splitting 24 and 16 up. Okay, 24 and 16 up. I want to show you another way where I only split one of those numbers up. So I have 24 times 16. Now, I showed you how to split them both up. Let's say we only split one number up this time. I'm going to keep my 24 together, but I'm going to split my 16 up. 1 10 and 6 ones. And I can do it this way too, and we'll see if I get the same answer. 24, I'm sorry, that's my 10. 24 times 10. 24 times 10. So I'm going to write this out. 24 times 10. Well, I know that 24 times 1 is 24. And then I just take this 1 0 and add it to make 240. Then I have 24 times 6. Well, that's the difference when I don't split the second number up. I have a bigger problem here that I have to do. So I'm actually going to have to multiply 24 times 6. If I don't know that, this could get pretty complicated, which is why I think it's easier to go ahead and split both numbers up. I split my 24 up and I split my 16 up. Because if I don't know what 24 times 6 is, it's going to make this very difficult for me. Okay, so I know that 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So I get 144. If I take 240 plus 144, I get 384, which is exactly what I got when I split the numbers up, when I split both numbers up. So I encourage you to split both numbers up, but if you're good and you know your facts and you only want to split one number up, that's fine, okay? But I definitely encourage you to split both numbers up.